What are you two doing? Buttercup's teaching me how to burp. Check this out. Burp.
Bubbles, that was fake.
See? I'm learning so much already. Buttercup, listen.
Yeah, belching is gross. Bubbles shouldn't listen to me.
Exactly. She shouldn't listen to you because you're teaching her all wrong.
Huh?
A leader knows everything, including how to belch properly. My burps have been recorded at over 130 decibels.
Lies! There's no such thing as decables. You just made that word up.
I'll show you, Bubbles.
No, I'll show you, Bubbles. Decables and all.
No, I'll show me, Bubbles. Like this.
No, like this.
Like this? Like this.
No, like this. I've got a good burp coming. I can feel it.
I've got a better burp. I'm out of soda. Here it comes, Buttercup.
Oh, it's coming. You go first.
No, you go first.
No, you go first.
No, you go first. Gee, you guys are not good at burping. Bubbles! Wow, congrats, guys. We did it. Excellent burps all around. I don't think that was a burp, Bubbles.
Yeah, Bubbles, that was not a burp.
I think we've got the...
Yep, it's the hiccups.
Want more of your favorite shows? Hover over the Cartoon Network icon and click subscribe. You'll be the first to see all the latest Cartoon Network videos and exclusive webisodes right here on YouTube.